Spotify Camp Nou is revealing an incredible new side of its transformation, making today's update impossible to ignore. The compression ring is edging closer to its final form, while striking new facade elements and the rapidly expanding installation of sandwich panels are giving the stadium an even more impressive and complete appearance. With mobility core work also advancing, the transformation is becoming more remarkable with every step. And this is an update you definitely won't want to miss. A major transformation is now unfolding on the second level, where construction has been moving forward at an impressive pace. A large number of sandwich panels have now been installed around the mobility cores, transforming the appearance of this section in a very short period of time. The installation has progressed rapidly, with only a few remaining spaces still waiting to be completed. A crane equipped with a vacuum lifting system is also working in the area, preparing to lift another panel into position. One of the remaining compression ring boxes is still positioned near the corner in the direction of the south goal. With the structure now so close to completion, this piece remains ready for the moment when the next phase of installation begins. At the same time, work continues around the supports for the facade slats. Platforms and equipment are also being positioned as preparations continue for the next operations along this section. The biggest highlight is inside the VIP ring, where the rendered walls are now being painted, giving this section a fresh and more finished appearance. More of the mobility cores are also becoming enclosed, while workers continue making progress around the upper sections of the curtain wall, with paint materials visible throughout the area. The lower section remains clean, organized, and largely clear of major equipment, while most of the visible activity is now concentrated around the VIP ring and second cantilever. Work is advancing around the areas being prepared for future bathrooms, restaurants, and other facilities, showing how these interior spaces are gradually taking shape. At the south goal, a truck has arrived carrying more construction materials, including rock wool and additional steel components. The mobility cores in this area continue to receive attention, with further work still taking place around the grills and finishing elements near the corners. The LED lighting system remains in the same stage for now, while the surrounding areas continue moving forward with other important finishing and structural work. Further along the south goal, this section of the stadium is already looking highly advanced. Ceramic slats, lighting elements, and several structural components are now in place, giving this part of the exterior an increasingly finished appearance. A few remaining elements will eventually complete the section, while occasional movement from construction platforms shows that work is still progressing around the area. Near the diamond structure, workers are carrying out additional steel work as construction continues around this important section. Some operations are difficult to see clearly from outside, but activity remains visible around the structure as different parts continue to move through their next stages. The glass areas are also being protected with temporary coverings, helping to preserve the completed elements while construction continues nearby. The lateral side brings one of the strongest updates of the day. A large number of workers are active around the diamond, where extensive formwork has now been installed. The walls along both the exterior and interior sections have advanced significantly. Much of the reinforcement work completed earlier has now moved into its next phase, with these areas being prepared for concrete. Construction has continued consistently throughout the week, and this lower section of the diamond is now looking increasingly defined as the structure continues to take shape. Another interesting detail can be seen above the lateral diamond, where new steel connection pieces have been installed along the upper section. These elements appear to be connected to future door areas and decorative finishing features that will eventually complete and refine these openings. While they may be smaller details compared to the major structural work, these new additions are another sign that more finishing stages are gradually beginning to appear across the stadium. At the nearby corner, the facade is now almost completely covered with ceramic slats. Only a few remaining pieces are needed to connect the completed sections and bring this part of the exterior even closer to a fully finished appearance. The LED system in this area has also been undergoing testing, offering an early look at the possibilities of the future lighting. As the project advances, these systems will continue to be refined and integrated into the stadium's final design. Further along the lateral side, construction continues around the mobility cores. On the second level, workers remain active in the sections where additional sandwich panels are still being prepared. But one of the most interesting developments can be seen higher up, where a crane is lifting and positioning new vertical structural pieces on the third level. These new elements are helping prepare the structure for the next phase, creating the framework that could eventually support future facade work in this part of the stadium. The removal of temporary formwork has now opened up a much clearer view inside the Lateral Diamond. With the previous obstruction gone, more of the internal structure can now be seen, revealing the continued transformation taking place behind the exterior facade. The area is also being used to organize and store a large amount of construction material, while nearby equipment and machinery continue supporting the next stages of work. In another section, progress can be seen around the LED lighting system. Some lights already have their connections in place, while neighboring areas are continuing through the preparation stage before the remaining cabling and components are completed. Protective coverings are also still visible on several elements, preserving the finished surfaces as more work continues around them. Moving towards the north goal corner, a construction platform is active near the upper facade slats. The LED lights have not yet been installed in this particular section, but the area is clearly being prepared for the future lighting system and its cabling. Protective coverings remain in place on several ceramic slats, while the remaining gaps between some sections will eventually be completed as the facade continues to expand. A major operation is taking place at the mobility cores near the north goal, where workers are removing scaffolding from the interior sections. This is an important step in opening up the area and preparing it for the next phase of exterior work. Once these internal preparations are completed, the remaining sandwich panels can continue to be installed around the exterior and side sections, bringing this part of the stadium closer to its finished appearance. In the central north goal area, more construction materials and equipment can be seen supporting ongoing work inside the stadium. A concrete pump is also positioned nearby. Similar equipment has recently been used for concrete work around the second cantilever and other upper sections. Even where exterior activity is less visible, the interior of the stadium continues moving forward through multiple stages of construction. At the final north goal corner, several construction platforms are working around the upper structure. Detailed operations are taking place behind the trusses, while another platform continues moving through the lower section. The structural supports are already in place, and the area is gradually being prepared for the next stages that will continue transforming this part of the stadium. Across this section of the Tribune, the supports are now largely prepared for the next stage of facade installation. With the structural preparation advancing, the next important step will be the installation of additional anchors before the ceramic slats can begin covering more of this major section. Once this process accelerates, the appearance of the Tribune exterior could change significantly as more of the stadium becomes covered by its distinctive facade. Sandwich panel installation has also resumed in this area, bringing more visible progress to the exterior. Several additional panels have now been installed, and the remaining uncovered spaces are becoming increasingly limited. The interior scaffolding has already been removed, leaving the area cleaner and more prepared for the next stage. Higher up, workers are carrying out detailed finishing operations on the steel structure. Different areas are being prepared for their final protective treatments, including the trusses, bolts, and other structural elements across the upper levels. There is still plenty of work ahead, but these finishing stages will gradually add another level of refinement as the rest of the stadium continues to develop below. And that brings us to the end of today's journey around Spotify Camp Nou. With every update, this incredible story continues to become more exciting, and there is still so much to look forward to. Thank you so much for watching and being part of the journey. Stay positive, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Keep following the transformation.